Alright, so we're on our way to the paint shop. Driving the Jeep with me is Arun. So what is it like driving the Jeep?
Well, it's a very different feel from any other car you've driven. It's a lot higher, and the dynamics are very different, especially the steering. They look very responsive. So yeah, it's a fun car to drive. You don't need to go fast, so enjoy it.
Well, very soon this Jeep is gonna be. What do you think?
Not my favorite color, but if your wife loves it, then so be it. Well, steering wheel here. What makes her happy? Happy wife, happy life.
Happy wife, happy life, happy spouse, happy house. Alright, so let's get going to the paint shop. We'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright, so we have arrived here at D Motorworks, and the guys have been friendly and nice enough to allow me to get work done on the Jeep at their shop. That is before we send the Jeep to them, well, it's already here, to get sprayed to its new color. What we're going to do tonight, we're going to remove the front and rear bumpers, the 2 front seats, and the 4 side fenders. So let's get going. Now, one of the many benefits of having friends in the workshop industry is that you get to occasionally use their workshop if they're okay with that, and a full set of tools. Let's check it out. Obviously, that list goes on and on and on and on and on and on. All right, time now to get work started. Let's go. Alright, so we got one of the 4 fenders out, really easy, 6 screws in total, and then just a bunch of plastic clips. You just gotta yank them out a little bit. And there you have it, without any fender flares. I think it looks pretty awesome. Obviously the front bumper is gonna go, and without the front bumper in the way, I think it looks really awesome. I can understand why some people prefer the fender delete option for their Jeep Wranglers, because it looks pretty cool. So yeah, 1 down, 3 to go. Alright guys, we're done with removing all 4 fenders. Super easy job, just a bunch of plastic clips and a bunch of screws. Let's do a quick walkabout and see what the JK looks like with no fender flares. Let's go. It looks really, really awesome. Like I said earlier, I totally get why some people prefer to have their fenders removed and then go with a fender delete kit. It looks pretty cool. So that part's done. Next up, we're gonna remove the front and rear bumpers. Let's continue. All right, a quick pro tip. These little plastic covers you use on aerosol cans, you can save them to keep your bolts, screws, and plastic clips so you don't lose anything when you're removing stuff from your Jeep. It's always important to get fueled up so you have the energy to do the stuff you need to do. So I'm gonna take a break right now and have some dinner. What's for dinner? What's on the menu? roast duck, roast pork noodles with a can of beer. All right, guys, we are done removing the front bumper on the Jeep Wrangler. As you can see, I'm gonna spin the camera around so you guys can take a closer look. All right, so now that we've got the front bumper removed and the 4 fenders, the final thing on the outside is to remove the rear bumper. Let's go. All right, we're done. We're done removing the front bumper, rear bumper, and all 4 side fender flares. Okay, so the last task for tonight, removal of the front 2, you can see how dirty my hands are. Removal of the front 2 seats, and we're done. Gonna take a 5-minute break before we get on. All right, guys, we are done. Front bumper out, rear bumper out, all 4 side fenders out, front 2 seats out. Let me give you guys a quick tour around the Jeep right now and see what it looks like without any of those stuff. And I think, in my personal opinion, it looks pretty darn cool. So special, super loud shout out to the boys here at D Motorworks. Not only did they allow me to use their space, which is a premium here in Singapore, I also got to use their tools. And as you guys saw in the time-lapse video, a lot of assistance from these guys because they know what they're doing. I don't. So super special shout out to the guys here at D Motorworks. So what's gonna happen next with the Wonder Wrangler? We're gonna send it into the paint shop, and then the specialists there, I'm probably not gonna be much help. They're gonna be sanding down everything that you see here that's in silver. So everything in silver will be sanded down to the bone. And then multiple layers of primer, multiple layers of a new paint, and then a coat, multiple coats of lacquer up top. What color? Well, you guys just gotta stay tuned to find out. We're done for the day, we're done for the night. It is time for a couple of these. Thank you for watching. Remember to stay tuned to our Instagram, Wonder Wrangler, and also my own Instagram for more behind the scenes of this makeover project with the Wonder Wrangler. Thank you for watching. Take care.